Ngatho muno ni undu wa gucoka ndirehoka no urathie na mbere wega mumemerekia wendetwo muno a celebrated journalist Jabi Wanjaũ ni atiga andu na ihoru thutha wa ndeto akorwo akirekereria kiroko gia gukia umuthi. Jabi has announced her exit on Inooro TV thutha wa mihinga mingi muno kuona she used to anchor news na Ken wa Kuraya, tukiona Ken agifutwo wira na Jabi agiikio kiharo kumatha mohoro. But later she fortunately got a chance na agicokio metha-ini ya mohoro na akiheo mohoro ma wikendi no roho ni akoretwo agitariria thabari nditu muno agereire in her career as a journalist, akiuga ati riu ciaigana ni ciaigana guku kwa Inooro na ni akorwo akieguta ceceni-ini ucio na akorwo akirekereria ndumiriri agitariria fans na followers ake itumi ciake gutiga wira guku kwa Inooro TV and where she will be heading to. Jabi akianirira itumi ciake akorwo akiuga ati she has already left the country for United States of America, akiuga my tenure at Inooro TV has come to an end, but I thank God for the new blessing. Watu wa diaspora tukutane screens zenu. Dana gukorwo agitariria makiria ndumiriri Jabi arekereria egitiga andu na ihoru oroho gikeno kuona ni amera ati she is now in the USA na watakuwa wanamuona kwa screens zao. Ndeto cia gitiga andu na ciuria nyingi muno akionania she has already left Kenya for new opportunity kuria USA, akiuga so far so good. I'm thankful for the warm welcome I have received in Washington. Turi wa America ne ujitikiretie na de mundu mukenu, akiuga it's God's speed, it's God personal project and she is grateful, akionania gikeno giake muno ni undu wa gukorwo akimathira uboco mweru kuria USA, akiuga ati ciaigana ni ciaigana guku Kenya guku kwa Inooro, but now she will be on screens cia USA and she's now a new resident wa United States of America. Ndeto tugukorwo tugithie na mbere na gugikumathira tumenye hihi ni ceceni uyu uriku